Wow! Alright, it's the end! Every clap your hands for Magic Dada. Wow! Such an amazing magic show for Magic Dada. Are you having fun? You want some more? Alright, thank you so much, but no more. Alright, come back again tomorrow. Tomorrow we have special visitors here. Mickey Mouse and Panda will come tomorrow at 5 o'clock p.m. Alright? Tomorrow, see you all again. And once again, thank you so much. Clap your hands for Magic Dada.